In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test website on Bitbucket. If you've got a project in Bitbucket and you want to see it running on the web quickly, we'll use Netlify to spin up a live test environment. It's fast, it's free, and it integrates smoothly with Bitbucket, so every change you push can be previewed without hassle. Start by heading to the Netlify website, and once you're in your dashboard, look for the Add New Site option. Click that, and choose Import from Bitbucket. This import flow is designed for Git-based projects, and Netlify will guide you through connecting to your Bitbucket account if it's your first time. The goal is to give Netlify Red access to your repositories so it can fetch your code and build it for you. Next, you'll be prompted to choose your repository. Pick the repo that contains the website you want to test. You can also confirm the branch you want to deploy. Most teams use main or master, but you can select any branch you're experimenting with. Netlify will scan your repo and in many cases, automatically detect the framework or static site settings. If your site is purely static, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, there's usually no build command needed. If it's a generated site, like a React or Vue app, Netlify will suggest a build command and a publish directory. You can accept the defaults if they match your project. When everything looks right, click Deploy. Netlify will kick off the deployment, fetch your code from Bitbucket, run any build steps, and then publish the result to a unique live URL. You'll see a progress log as it builds, which is helpful for understanding what's happening under the hood. Once it's done, you can open the site instantly to verify that everything is working. A quick note on why this workflow is so useful. It's free to get started, you get a live preview URL you can share with teammates or clients, and it works perfectly with Bitbucket. Push a commit, open a pull request, and Netlify can automatically create updated previews so you can review changes in a real environment before merging. If something doesn't look right, check the deploy logs in Netlify. They'll point you to missing dependencies, incorrect build commands, or a misconfigured publish directory. Ensuring your repository has the correct files and structure is usually all it takes. That's it. You went to Netlify, imported from Bitbucket, chose your repo, and deployed. Now you've got a live shareable environment to test your website with zero server setup.